60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects... The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Portland, or 10 miles north of Gallatin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lafayette, Hartsville, White House, Westmoreland, Portland, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Bethpage, Oak Grove, and Bledsoe Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Smith